Good morning, beautiful souls. Happy Monday. It's Meditation Monday, and I am just in the woods, as usual, around the back of the beautiful venue where the reconnection to the Atlantean heart has been held this weekend, and it has been fabulous. So a massive thank you to all of you who came along, and especially to the very special effort from Miriam and from everybody else who's been putting it all together to get me over here. I'm going to be coming back in April as well, and just have a little look at where I am. Ideal spot for a bit of Monday grounding in. Now, before I left for Portugal on the 22nd, I had a conversation with my tree in my garden at home, and I asked my tree to assist me with grounding the energies in of the Helios light package on the 22nd. So my tree, being interconnected to all of the other trees via the root networks on this planet, conversed with the trees in Portugal, and everybody was jumping on board to assist. So considering the amount of light that we've received recently, this morning is grounding. So just take a few moments to close your eyes and take a few deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Really breathe into your heart center with intention. Intend to open your heart center up, to allow your heart to embrace your day, to embrace your energy. No matter how you're feeling emotionally or mentally, hand it over to your heart now. So breathe in deeply. And very quickly your heart will respond and turn into the most beautiful ball of light. So that white and pink and gold ball of light within the centre of your chest is now beginning to expand. Now, if you can, think of a tree that is near you. You might even be outside, as I am. If you are close to a tree, allow your heart to extend out and touch and light up and mix and merge and bond with that tree. Just send your energy out now. Even if you are far away from any trees at all, just allow your heart to picture one and to draw it into your heart center. Reach out, touch, and deeply connect. And as you do so, begin to picture the strong trunk that resists the force of the winds, that grows ever upwards, taking in all of the information of the surroundings and storing it within the wood. The branches that reach up and outwards via the canopy, and the new leaves that break forth every spring. And when the sap withdraws in the autumn, as it is doing at the moment, and the leaves turn the beautiful golden brown and other russet colours, just feel yourself into the tree network. Allow your energy to become still, quiet, supported, and incredibly strong. And you might even feel the wind blowing through your leaves and your hair and your branches and over the surface of your skin. Become as a tree. Now, from the soles of your feet, start to send down roots into the earth. It might start slowly at first from your Earth Star chakra, then starting to feel them growing stronger and stronger. Even the smallest trees have roots that are long, so that they begin their life firmly planted into the ground and able to resist the forces of nature. So feel your roots becoming strong, grounding you into this planet. More recently, it has become apparent that as light workers, it is necessary for us to honour our physicality here, to embrace and open our hearts to the choices that we have made to be on planet Earth at this time, and to experience what we are experiencing, even if it is uncomfortable. Grow your roots. Be present. Bring yourself into the present moment now and ground. And as your roots grow, they may be silver light pouring down from your Earth Star, or you might be visualizing strong physical roots growing from you into the planet. Feel your physical presence here strengthening. And just allow every aspect of you to come back and join with your physical, mental and emotional and spiritual bodies, wherever you are in the world at this moment in time. And just continue to breathe and relax as this occurs. You might also notice that there are other networks of roots all around you. These may be roots of light from other light workers, or they might also be roots of trees that you are connecting with, all of them interconnecting with one another. Feel your roots beginning to mix and merge and join and bond with the other root network systems all around this world. And this isn't just a strengthening process. This is one of the most complex and highly tuned physical and spiritual information networks on this planet. All the trees around the world communicating with one another in the blink of an eye. What happens here in Hamburg gets transferred over to the roots of the trees over in Australia, or maybe in China or the UK. So as you tune into this incredibly powerful network with your roots or your roots of light, it is very possible at this moment that you will now receive a message. So just in the silence of your heart center, what are you being told now? This might be a message that is important for your ascension journey. It just might be a greeting from Mother Earth and the roots and the trees herself. Just breathe into this for a few moments and see what you receive. And as this information flows in, your light quotient is growing brighter and brighter. You might notice that there are physical, spiritual, mental and emotional aspects of you that have wandered off, maybe got distracted or lost, and they are coming back to you in the here and now. Bring them all back. You have never had a greater opportunity to be on this planet at this time, to serve in your highest capacity. So just make the choice, if you will, to honour that now. And just for a few moments more, feel your grounded presence on this world, fully lit up. And when you are ready, open your eyes and smile. And you might want to repeat this exercise out in the open, maybe with your back against a tree as I am, or maybe your hands or your heart upon the trunk. Give it a try. And I will be back in the UK later today. I've got another beautiful workshop coming up on the 11th of the 11th, big day that one, and that will be the Atlantean Ascension Day in Emsworth in Hampshire. If you're in the UK, or if you're coming over, if you fancy it, it's going to be a good one. So I look forward to seeing you there. Sending you all so much love. I will be back in my own woods on Friday for an Ascension update. Bye for now.